Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Citi Simplicity card easy tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your Citi Simplicity card, start by gathering your account details. Make sure you have your card, account number, and any personal identification information ready. Next, visit the official Citi website or open the Citi mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Customer Service section. Look for the option to manage your account or card settings. Choose the option for canceling your credit card. If this option is not available online, find the customer service phone number. You can find this number on the back of your card or on the Citi website. Call the customer service number during business hours for assistance. When connected, inform the representative that you want to cancel your Citi Simplicity card. Be prepared to verify your identity by providing any requested personal information. The representative may ask for your reason for canceling. You can choose to simply say you no longer need the card. Once they confirm your request, ask for any confirmation details of the cancellation. Keep a record of this information for your records. It's also a good idea to check your account for any final statements. Make sure you have cleared any outstanding balances before the cancellation is finalized. After canceling, monitor your credit report to ensure that the account is reported correctly. Finally, shred or dispose of your physical card safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.